Hi people, this is Nettie again. I just wanted to show you some of the corianders that are growing in this area. They're getting kind of full. I guess when summer comes, they'll start shooting more, I call it more corianders with the seeds. And this is my three plantain. One, two, three, and I got another one back there, which I'll show you pretty soon. Hold on. Here they're growing some more. And I cut this, I cleared this out, as you can see right there. Everything cleared out. If you can see my finger right there, I'm pointing at it, that's the red pepper. It broke. I think a chicken laid on top of it and it broke it. So, I call it. I took one in. My granddaughter, we were doing a video, which I could not put out. I was not able to put out because I told her no showing faces. Just your body, but no faces. But she actually put it in there. You know, even though I told her stay away from the camera, don't look at the camera, this and that, but she didn't listen to me. So I erased it. I feel sorry for her, but I told her that she cannot do it. She's 3 years old, but she's very smart, very very smart. You know, she takes my iPod. She learned how to the password, and she just knocks it in there and does it. You know, and she's not even in school. So then, but that's how it is. I also cut down this because it was like too overwhelming. So I'm just gonna leave it, very lightly. A lot of the in the middle was just mainly broken um, wood. You know, that there wasn't already not doing anything. So I decided to take that out too. You know, and let me show you the other part. Okay, so then we have a whole bunch in here. I cleaned this out the other day, but everything keeps falling there. I also gotta take that plant that is in the corner there. You know, in the corner is very hard. As you can see, this is what Maria did to my raised bed. Pure, how you call it? Pure cement. It didn't have no rods. If I knew that, I would have bought some rods to put it across. But I didn't think about it. You know, it's something that you're just gonna put plants. You didn't expect that a giant tree from up there, all the way up there, would have come down here, break down here, and look at that. There it goes. I still have it, right there. I was, we're thinking of cutting it down because it has rotten enough. I think, at least up to there. I think there's already from there you could cut. The rest I don't know what we could do with it, but just cut it little by little. We can't do much. You know, they were supposed to bring an industrial because this tree does not grow in Puerto Rico. They're not from Puerto Rico, but somebody bought it, somebody planted it, and somebody screwed me. uh, okay, so I guess that's that. You know, but I shouldn't have said the word, but I don't think that's something bad anyway. So to me, it's not bad. It just means that messed me up. That's all. That's all it says. Okay, so here we got all this. Look at that. How beautiful. They are beautiful. Trying to keep it from the sun so they don't shut off. So from there. And let me see if I could go to the other side. Hold on. Because on the other side I could get some more shadow. And I could finish off the video. Okay, as you can see, look how beautiful. And they're still throwing seeds. I'm not going to take the seeds out like everybody says. I don't know if you can see. Because I can't see nothing. And as you can see, the leaves, they are big. Let me see. Look how big it is. They're very big. I took out a real long one. I don't know if I need to do for the beans or not. I think I do. I have to take out some, so I'll take it out later because I like to look at them and take the best. So this will be it because the sun is hard. It is heat. A lot of people in the States is finding it chilly. I still find it is burning. So I want to get out of the sun. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.